Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 18 and the name of our unit is Heat and Light. Today I am going to review the unit. So my dear students, we have completed all the student learning outcomes. Here are the student learning outcomes. Alhamdulillah, we have finished them all. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इन तमाम को रिवाइज करेंगे. लेकिन सबसे पहले रीकैप कर लेते हैं. वी गेट मोर हीट नियर फायर, व्हाई वी कैन नॉट सी क्लियर व्हेन वी आर फार फ्रॉम लाइट सोर्स. क्यों हम आग के जब करीब जाते हैं तो हमें ज्यादा गर्माहट महसूस होती है? बिकॉज दोनों का आंसर यही है दैट द डिस्टेंस, द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ हीट एंड लाइट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिस्टेंस. व्हेन यू आर नियर यू विल फील मोर heat and light, when you are far away you will feel less heat and light. Okay, my dear students, so now is the time for the review. So my dear students, in first lecture we have discussed about the natural and man-made sources of heat. So sun is the biggest source of heat on earth और ये हमें गर्माहट फराहम करता है. इसके अलावा man-made जो है, इसके अलावा जो natural sources हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं? coal, oil, natural gas and wood. And man-made are oven, heater, iron. These all are man-made objects that provide us heat. So in lecture number 2, we discussed about the sources of light, natural and man-made. So the biggest source of light on earth is sun, and the other natural sources of light are moon and stars. और इसके अलावा जो आर्टिफिशियल या मैन मेड सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट है वो कौन कौन से हैं? बल्ब, एलईडीज, ट्यूब लाइट्स, दीज ऑल natural artificial sources of light. Then my dear students, we discussed about the uses of heat. So what are the uses of heat? The uses of heat are we cook food, we boil water, we make our water warm. इसके अलावा हम अपने आप को गर्म रखते हैं, कपड़ों को ड्राई करते हैं. So these are different uses of heat. Then we discussed about the uses of light. So what are the different uses of light? So light के different uses कौन कौन से हैं? It helps us to see different traffic signs. They are also made up of light. Then we can see in the dark. Plants make up their food in the source presence of light. So these are different uses of light. So then we discussed about the intensity of heat and light. यानी कि किस तरीके से हरारत और रोशनी जो है वो कम या ज्यादा होती है. तो ये डिस्टेंस पे डिपेंड करती है. जितना आपका डिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा रोशनी से और गर्माहट से, उतना ही आपको कम गर्माहट महसूस होगी. जितना आपका डिस्टेंस कम हो जाएगा उतनी ही आपको ज्यादा गर्माहट या रोशनी महसूस होगी. So my dear students, now is the time for practice, for which you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video. So my dear students, ये आपका टेस्ट है, आपको इसको कंप्लीट करना है. So what are man-made light sources? So write any 3. What are natural heat sources? Write down their names. So write any 2 uses of light. कोई से 2 uses आपने light के लिखने हैं. Pause the video and quickly complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has done it. So now is the time to note down your homework. Reading of section page number 156. आपको page number 156 book पे ही complete करना है. इसके अलावा section E page number 157 you have to also do it in your books. So my dear students, this is your homework. Now is the time for wrap up. So my dear students, हमने heat and light के मुख्तलिफ इस्तेमाल, natural and man-made sources, intensity of heat and light, we have discussed it all. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.